Hello, hello, hello. How do you do? Now, I finished already the room of Madam. Our dining. No, not dining. Sala, small sala. And in the kitchen. And the balcony, the small balcony. So, it's already, what time is it now? It's 10:30. So, I need to eat my breakfast. Okay? Kasi kanina si Sisi, ayun. And, yung breakfast ko, slight na lang, olive oil, not olive oil, olive, that is the olive fruits, kumbaga, na ginagawang, you know na, they just make this one oil. The black one, there is brown, there is green, yeah, I think that is 3 colors, and I have, this one is batinjin, it's, eggplant, I think, make eggplant with laban. Okay. Lebanese, not Lebanese, Arabian mga breakfast. Okay, so I eat one, and that is the tamak, the dates. Okay, and my shai is why. Continue lang. Kasi in the morning, sisilin yun, ko sisilin ang breakfast. Sisilin para, side view na lang yung video ko kasi para hindi kayo magsasawa. You cannot watch that of my face. Maano kasi yung ba yan? Sa kabal. Pasensya na, I have no stand for making a video. All is legit only. And just think what supposed I do to do my videos. Okay? This one. Okay? Hindi naman siya pwede. Kung pwede siyang itaas, ayan, makikita rin. Kaso, hanap muna ako ng find something that I can stand up. Okay, just a minute. Yun yung sa... Huwag kang bumaliktad. Cellphone, huwag kang bumaliktad. Cellphone. Okay? Siguro kita na. Meron. Nakita ba yung Ayan. Okay, konting side view na lang. Konting side view. Mabaliktad yung cellphone ko. Sagot na naman yung cellphone. Sagot tayo dyan, At saka, Arabian, I call this one Arabian salmon, but mostly this one, in the Lebanese, what's that? I don't know the original. I know the name, but I forgot. Lisod talaga yung memory gap na. So, I take my breakfast now. Once again, I always say thank you talaga. That's what I do here every day. So, tuwa na. Aroy, ginoo ko. Oh no. Bumaliktad yung dito na nga lang siya. Ay ko. Yun na lang, bumaliktad yung cellphone. Ay ko. Ganun talaga ang life. Okay, so now, I eat. It's okay, I'm using my hands because my hands, I'm washing man. I wash my hands, washing naman. Okay, and this one, ayan siya. Parang with laban yata to mix with laban. And, so I like this one, that's what I eat. Okay? Kaya yun. Yan lang. Nationwide, worldwide, to different countries, to different people. Breakfast now is past 10. Almost 11 a.m. na here in Baghdad. Happy weekend, siguro yung iba nag-sleep pa. Patulog na ngayon sa Pilipinas sa hapon na halos. If I finish my breakfast, I go to clean the room of Celine. And now is Thursday, so happy Thursday to every one of us. Subscriber, viewers, and supporters of my YouTube channel. Keep safe lagi. Shout out to all of you. I have already 1,336, 1,000, ilan na ba yun? 1,306 o 36 ba yun? Kaya ganun. So, shout out to all of us. Not only to my subscriber, not only to subscriber of my YouTube channel, viewers and supporter. Sabay pa naman. Puno kasi yung bunga ko. Bunga nga nagsasalita rin. Kaya, thank you very much talaga. Shout out to all of us. And those you are helping. Because, as of what I make, from the beginning, one of us, even you have I think, all the bloggers that some people that they have a channel, from the beginning, they know that you cannot make your own channel by your own. So you must to have talaga companion or someone that some blogger also that you are helping to you. Except of the old viewers and all the another subscriber. All of that, kumbaga, combine yan, join together yan. Not only one, not only two, but they are joined together. It's like also a family. So that you can gain, you can have your own channel. Kasi as of what I'm telling you talaga, not all, because some of them that they are quickly to finish, they can have more subscriber because some of them that they have more time, and then they are already celebrities, so they have already their Instagram, Facebook or whatever, watch that in the social media. But me that I'm the beginner, I didn't continue talaga until what's that. I have only time to move, to step like that one. But if maybe before when I start, if I continue talaga that one, so maybe I'm like of them already. Masarap to. Kaya lumalaki yung kilo ko. I gain all my kilos because of I'm eating the salmon or the bread of Lebanese, Arabian, or what kind of bread that we have here. And I'm eating parais, so I eat too much. If I'm working in the day, I'm eating too much talaga while I'm working. Except if dinner na, because my dinner is slight or sometimes if I'm full because I'm very late to eat my lunch. And I sleep early with Celine. Especially if the school time, school days. That's what I'm already telling always in my videos. Because I wake up nga very early in the morning. And I prepare also by myself, of course. How can you go to the bathroom, go to the kitchen if you are very untied, what's that, unclean. Sabay po ganun, unclean. Don't worry, my teaspoon, I didn't put to my mouth this one. Just shake, and this one only. Here only, I'm doing like this one. I'm lucky. Yeah, I can see talaga that I'm lucky. Because every day I can eat good. Sometimes I'm cooking, what's that? I'm cooking with my own only. And I'm the one also to eat. And then, I'm very sorry talaga sa my live because I cannot focus that I can concentrate only to say and to invite some my subscriber or some viewers that they can stay with me in my lifetime because I'm working. Kaya I'm only shouting and I'm only saying to you that thank you for visiting, thank you for everything. This is the way I make my channel, my YouTube channel, from the beginning and until now. That's what I do. So I don't want to change, I don't want to but that is belong if I have some videos that what's that, maybe from my family, that my niece, if I miss them and they are sending me a videos of what they are doing, especially mga niece ko na in the school, mga activities. So if I can make a save that one and I can go inside to my channel, so that's all. It makes all that one is from my families or my friends in the Philippines. If I can make save, but sometimes kasi I don't know. So now it's already, what's that? I need to, that's why I need to off na of my, I continue eating and so that I can quickly na finish. Okay? So thank you again, once again. To all subscriber of mine or not subscriber of mine, to all viewers of mine or not all viewers of mine in my YouTube channel, supporters in my channel or not supporters of my channel, keep safe. God bless us all. God provide everything, all of us. And whatever you go, whatever you do, where you are, in which countries that you belong, in which kind of peoples you are, and because we have a different time in our different countries, so keep safe lagi, especially to our health. Keep safe and be careful and focus before you are doing something to make it sure that every one of us to be safe. Okay, so thank you and thank you and thank you again. Shout out to all nationwide. worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, to the Philippines. Sorry, I'm very, very sorry. To all families that what I have, to the side of my mother and my father, and my co-workers, my childhood, my mga kababata, my elementary, high school, college, until where I'm working already in another places. Shout out to all of us. And to here in Iraq, in Baghdad, to my family, it's belong now of my employer, side of Madam and side of Sir, and to my alaga, that is Celine. Since from, if I'm not mistaken, I said already always that one, that if she is 3 months or 4 months, either in between of 3 or in between of 4 months, 4 months and 5 months, in between like that one, I'm already with Celine. So don't worry. If I'm making a video that with Celine until now and from what's that, it's not means to say that she is alone. I'm always with Celine, and that is the Madam and my sir. They know already about it, especially to Madam. Okay? So once again, thank you with them also, because she take care of me and provide everything what I need her, and I wish that everything will be okay. To all domestic helper sa buong mundo, housemaid, that is domestic helper, housemaid, not only housemaid, mga all workers in different companies, and the different people in this world, because all of us, we are working, di ba? Even the rich mga person, mga rich people, they are still working. So keep safe lagi, okay? And always pray everything that what you have encountered. And God bless us all, and bye. Oh, before I forget again, shout out to all some subscriber, some blogger. I mentioned already that one, but before I end my new video, my additional new video, from the beginning, some bloggers from the beginning of my channel until now, thank you very much talaga that you have a open-minded, open heart, and patient kindness to help me to gain my channel. Thank you very much. You know who you are, individual of you. You know who you are and where you are also, and God bless us all, and keep safe lagi, and bye.